Hi, welcome to this video in which we're going to see the answers of the Grammar Booster, Unit number 10, Exercise number 2, Top Notch Fundamentals book. So let's get started. So here we are in exercise number 2. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to read the instructions. It says, choose the correct word or phrase to complete each statement. Circle the letter. All right, let's get started with number 1, which is the example. It says, I study English every day. In this case, the answer is study simple present because we have the time expression every day. That's the reason we have to use study. Let's continue with number 2. In the case of number 2 says, we usually blank space the bus to work. Here in number 2, we have the adverb of frequency usually. Adverbs of frequency are used for simple present tense. Therefore, my answer is take. So the answer is we usually take the bus to work because of usually. What about number 3? Number 3 says Anne Marie, blank space, the kitchen now. Well, here in number 3, we have the time expression now. We use the time expression now for present continuous. So in this case, the answer would be Anne Marie is cleaning the kitchen now because it's something that is happening in this moment. Let's continue with number 4. In number 4 says he really blank space lemonade. Okay. Now, in this case, we have the verb is liking and likes. Remember something. Whenever we use the verb like, we use it in the base form. Sorry, in the simple present tense. Why? Because we cannot use like as in the ing form, as you can see here, plus the verb to be is liking. It's not possible because like is considered a non-action verb. So we always use it in the simple present form. So the answer will be he really likes lemonade. Let's continue with number 5. In the case of number 5 says this store blank space beautiful clothes. Now, in this case, we are talking about possession. When we describe a situation in which the verb describes possession, we have to use the verb in the simple present tense. In this case, we say this store has beautiful clothes. We cannot say is having because in this case, the meaning is of a non-action verb. Let's continue with number 6. Number 6 is on Wednesdays, I blank space dinner for my. All right. In this case, we have these two words on Wednesdays, which means that is something habitual. So we have to use simple present tense. On Wednesdays, I cook dinner for my, and that will be the answer. Let's continue with number 7. In the case of number 7, it says, they never blank space coffee. The same as number 2, here we have an adverb of frequency, which is never. Whenever we use adverbs of frequency, we have to use the simple present tense form of the verb. So in this case, the answer would be they never drink coffee. Finally, number 8 says, our children blank space TV on weekdays. Well, in this case, the time expression would be on weekdays. This expresses a habitual action. In this case, we have to use letter B, the negative form of watch, which would be our children don't watch TV on weekdays. Well, thanks so much for watching this video and remember to share it with somebody else.